Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about URL module in Node.js. So what is URL module in Node.js? The URL module in Node.js is a built-in module that provides utilities for parsing, constructing, resolve the URLs. It means that it work on the URL, like for example you can get param value, you can get hostname from URL, you can get some protocol or more from the URL. So this is how we work on URL. So this is the key feature in URL module. For example, here's number one, parsing URL. The URL that pass is a function or like a method for convert the URL string into an object, breaking it into component, protocol, hostname, path name, etc. Number two is URL objects. The URL class in the URL module introduced in Node.js 7. Okay, it provides modern way to work with URL. Using URL, you can directly access and manipulate parts of the URL and build a new URL easily. Number three is resolving URL. The URL.resolve method is useful for creating a URL based on a base URL and a relative part. So in here, the last one, number four, is formatting URLs. It means that we use it to format it back into the URL string. So I will show you in the source code and how it works and how it console out. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now we create a new Node project about the URL modules like this, and then I open Visual Studio Code, click on it, then we open our folder projects. I put in notes here, open it, and then I create one JS file inside this folder called, the name is urlmodule.js. For the first one is I will example about the parsing URLs. Sorry. Then I comment this point and I providing some coding here, constraints. We declare one URL and we use requires URLs. Then we declare my URL equal URL.parsing pass, and then we put the URL in here. For example, HTTPS. This is my URL. Then I put local host, put the port 8080, the path, page. Okay, searching param in here, name equal data, and I put one more param, gender equal male. And then you can put something, okay, others like this. And then I console it, lock my URLs. Save the project, go to new terminal, and then we type nodes the file name is urlmodule.js. Enter it. You can see here it lists down the protocol slash host port, host names, and many things in here like query or source. This is how we work. Okay, we can work with all of this. And then we go to comment this code. We move to number 2, and we will learn about what's number 2 about is URL objects. Comment this point, and we provide some example coding in here. So we declare URL like this. Then we equals requires URL, declares my URL, new URLs, and then we put the URL string in here. I copy from this, pass in here. Then I console this URL. My URL.hostname. I console the my URL.getSearch param .get names. Okay. Save the project, and we run the project again. Okay, hostname is com, and the name param is dara. Now comment this code. We go to number 3. The number 3 is about resolving the URL. Then we comment this. We declare the URL requires URL. Then we declare the param resolve URL equals the method URL.resolve, and then we put the URL here. Copy this and pass here. Okay, should copy this side. This side we need subspace in here, example. Then we console it, resolve URL. Save the project and run again. You can see here's subspace. We can put the subspace with this. Save it again. Okay, so you can see the full URL like this. So now we move to number 4. Number 4 is formatting. We need to make a URL back. So we need to use formatting URL. So we declare URLs requires URL, Yes, URL objects. Inside this we have protocol. The protocol is HTTPS, and we need hostname. The hostname is localhost. And then path name is like, for example, page. Then we put the search is name data, and also we need genders equal male. So now we go to format it. We need to call the method format. Here declare formatted URL, and then we call the method URL.format. We put the URL object in here, then we try to console it, and you will see the result. Save the project and run the project again. Okay, so you can see we can make the URL back from the URL object that we have provided in this example. Okay, so that's all for the URL module. Thank you for watching.